In fact, do stay on with us, Niyamika. Big breaking news which is coming in immediately. There is massive politics breaking out of it. The BJP has slammed the Congress over Pal's induction. They've cited Gautam's old statements as well. In fact, they have hurled the anti-Hindu jibe at the Congress party. That's the big breaking news which is coming in. Now, the BJP, Niyamika, has reminded the Congress party of his anti-Hindu jibes and have lobbed that with the Congress now. Niyamika, are you there with us?
Well, yes, in fact, this question was also being asked to Mr. Rajan Pal Gautam, not just in the press conference, but in fact, when Times Now had spoken to Rajan Pal Gautam, we had also asked this question that the BJP is calling you an anti-Hindu person, and they have also congratulated the Congress party that the Congress has inducted an anti-Hindu leader in its party, to which Mr. Rajan Pal Gautam has replied that this shows the mentality of the BJP, as he has mentioned that मैं anti-Hindu नहीं हूँ, मैं मानववादी हूँ. So that was the reaction which had come on the part of Mr. Rajan Pal Gautam. He has also clarified his stand regarding the controversial statements which he had given in the past, as he mentioned that I am not against any particular religion. I support and respect each and every religion, but my only concern is that no atrocities should occur against any human being if he or she tries to enter in the temple, or he or she wants to touch the God's idol. So that's what Mr. Rajan Pal Gautam has replied to such kind of remarks which are coming in on the part of the BJP.
We'll keep tracking the developments on that front. Of course, hectic politics already has been sparked off after it appears that Congress has poached upon its own alliance partner, and more importantly, BJP now saying Congress shows that it is anti-Hindu, raking up the controversial past of Rajendra Gautam.